This is question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR are P is 2 and 1, Q minus 2, 3, R is 4, 5. Find the equation of median through the vertex R. So in this case, it is given that PQR is a triangle. PQR are the vertices of a triangle whose coordinates are given as mentioned in the question. So if rough sketch is drawn, so it will be like the PQR. So P is 2, 1, Q is minus 2, 3, and R is 4, 5. So from the R, if we draw a median, it will be RS. So let the coordinates of S be x1 and y1. Now, to find out the equation of RS, one is we should know the coordinate, either one of the coordinates of R or S. So we know the coordinate of R, that is 4, 5. And if we know only one of the coordinates, then we should know the slope. Or secondly, we should know the coordinates of both the points, say R and S. So in this case, we don't know slope and we don't know slope. First case where we should know one of the coordinates and slope. So only we know one of the coordinates, we don't know slope. Second option is when the coordinates of both the points, say R and S, are given. From there we can calculate M. But here that is also not the position because we have only coordinates of one point and we don't know the coordinate of others. So if you find out the coordinate of S, then we can find out the slope of SR because that is required to find out the equation of RS. And once we get the slope of RS, then we know the equation of the line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So from there we can find out the equation of RS because median divides PQ. So now our point is from PQ, we know the coordinates of P and Q, and we know median RS. So RS is a median, so we can find out the midpoints of S because this is median. So it divides P and Q in equal parts. By using that property, we can find out the coordinates of S from the coordinates P and Q. So first we will find out these coordinates, then we can calculate the value of slope from points R and S. Then equation of RS we can find out. So like that we have to do it. So we should know what we have to do ultimately, and there we require slope of the equation and one of the points. So you can find the equation. Now it is given that P two one Q minus 2 3 and R 4 5 are the three vertices of triangle PQR and let R S be the median from vertex R so by using the property of median so by using the property of median the coordinates of S x1 and x1 y1 will be as x1 is equal to 1 or we'll say S x1 y1 will be as x1 is equal to coordinate of P is 2 plus coordinate of x 2 coordinate of Q is minus 2 divided by 2 is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 by 2 so this is 0 by using x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 as midpoint coordinate. Similarly, y1 is equal to the coordinate of P is 1 plus coordinate of Q is 3 divided by 2 so 4 by 2 is equal to 2 y1 plus y2 is equal to y. By using these properties, we can find out the value of coordinate of s. Hence, the coordinates of s x1 y1 are as x1 is 0, y1 is 2. So 0 and 2 are the coordinates of s. Now once we know the coordinates of s and we know the coordinates of r, we can find the slope. So we can calculate the value of slope m for median rs as coordinates of r are known to us. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 by using this formula. So y2 in this case it becomes coordinates of y, so that is 4 and 5. So y is 5 and coordinates of s are 2. So 5 minus 2 divided by x2 is 4 minus 0 coordinate of x coordinate of s point. So which is equal to 5 minus 2 3 divided by 4. So slope is equal to 3 by 4 of line RS. Equation of line passing through R and S coordinates with m is equal to 3 by 4 y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, or y minus y1, y1 the coordinate of r is 5 is equal to 3 by 4 within the bracket x minus x1, that is 4, cross multiplying, so 4 into or y minus 5 is equal to 3 by 4 within the bracket x minus 4, or 4 cross multiplying, this gives us 4 into y minus 5 is equal to 3 within the bracket x minus 4, or 4y minus 20 is equal to 3x minus 12, or 4y, we bring x on the left side after transposing, 3x becomes minus 20 plus 12 is equal to 0, or 4y minus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of RS. Which is the required equation of RS, the median. So this we have to find out, we have completed. So this is question number 10, exercise 10.2 on straight lines. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line which is passing through the points minus 2, 5 and 3, minus 6. So these roughly I have drawn sketch of this thing, so to better understand the question, and then only we will be in a position to find the solution in a better way, and we can express it also in a relevant manner. So here 3 points I have been given, that is, one point is minus 3, 5, in which a line is a perpendicular, that is, this let it be a P point, this is origin O, so OP is perpendicular to a line which is passing through these 2 points, that is A and B, as this is 3 and minus 6 and this is 2 and 5. So line AB is passing through these 2 points and OP is perpendicular through the point P. So now we know this angle is, this is a OP is perpendicular to AB. Now what we have to do, we should have a slope of OP, and we know this is passing through one of the points, so we can calculate the equation of OP we can find out. That's by using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now x1 and y1 we know as minus 3 and 5, but we don't know what is the slope of OP. But this is perpendicular. When it is perpendicular, then we know, if we know the slope of AB, we can find out the slope of OP by using the formula m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So now where m1 is the slope of AB and m2 is the slope of OP. So now we have to find the slope of AB, because we know the 2 points, and from there we can find the slope of AB by using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that gives the slope of AB. So like that we have to proceed. So what we have to find out, we will start from there and think what is available and what is given in the question and what we have to find out. So if you understood that, then there is no, then it is simple. Let P (3, 5) is perpendicular to a line AB passing through points let point P 3, 5 is perpendicular to the line AB passing through the points A 3, minus 6 and B 2, 5, and M is given as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So in this case y2 is nothing but slope m1 of, let the m1 be the slope of AB and m2 is the slope of OP. So m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 is 5, that is y coordinate of this, x2 is 2 and x1 is 3, so 2 minus 3 is equal to 5 plus points, now on putting the values of point P, that is minus 3, 5 and m2 is equal to 11, we get y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, or y minus y1 is 5, y minus 5 is equal to 11 into x minus, within the bracket minus 3, that is x1, so bracket close, or y minus 5 is equal to 11x plus 33, or y minus 11x or y minus 5 is equal to 11x plus 33, or y minus 11x is minus 38 is equal to 0, which is the required equation. So this is over.